tayo sa
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
game. Let's go. Baldi tayo. Let's go play Baldi.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Ano naman ito? Yeah. Open.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer.
Okay. Takbo ka agad. Nakita ko kay teacher. Buti
You need to
nakalak.
collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors.
Buti nakalak, guys. Kung hindi, uy!
You need
Sino
to
yun?
collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors.
Nakalak ka. Sorry ba? At mo. Walang gulat-gulat. Infinity. Walang. Takbo. Ano si teacher? Takbo na kagad. Yun. Alis. You need to rest. Takbo. Dito na tayo. Oh, grabe nito. School rules. No, bye. Yung piso. Nothing. You need to rest. I don't care. School. Uy, dito ba? Okay. Uy, naririnig ko yun ah.
No entering school faculty
Oh my
only
God.
room is in the halls. 15
Jeez.
seconds.
Pataka
Detention for you. You should know better.
Buksan mo to. Uy, buksan mo to. Uy. Aboy. Uy. Yan kasi. Yan kasi. Nilak mo ko eh. Dito nga
Welcome
tayo.
to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Schoolhouse ba ito? Ulit. Okay.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the
Okay. Please don't galit me. Okay. You can think back. Guys. Diba nakadalawa tayo? Pupunta tayo dito sa... Saan ba dito sa exit? Wala na dito yung exit, guys. Nakalak.
You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors. Before you can use these doors.
Okay. Hindi makapasok. Hindi makapasok. Hidden. Nothing. Nothing pa pa dyan ah. Siya na pala si teacher. Hidden.
I want to play with someone.
Sino ako? Ako sana siya. Buti na. Pwede. Nakalak naman mga pinto eh. Okay. Nakalak naman yung pinto. Okay lang. Play ito. Subject. Okay. Here. Open. Open ba? Lagot. 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 Takbo. Hindi ko tumakita.
I am coming, ready or no, here I come.
Wala nga ang gold coin. Takbo. Uy. Ko kasi. Piso. Yung buti. Ay! 200. Score.
Welcome to Balli's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
How to play. Oh my god. How to play. Oh no. School is out, but your friend has a problem. He left all his notebooks in school, but don't have time to go get them because if it is does he'll be late for eating. I think to help him out, you have to go back in the school and find all his new notebooks for you. It won't be easy. But Baldi loves challenging his student with fun crazy problem whenever he can. You find a notebook, you have to answer some questions. To win the game, you must find 7 notebooks and then exit the school. You have to run to, of course. Okay. Yep. So, hindi natin tatapusin to katulad kay Granny. Panoodin nyo guys, maganda. Subscribe nyo naman.
Oh, hi.
Hindi ko nga tinapos.
Welcome to my school.
Ang bulang na drink. Iinom ako. Ano yan
Now it's
na?
time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
Ano mo? 6.
I can't believe it. You're incredible.
Teka lang guys. 3
3
plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ang tamang sagot ay
You got it.
4
Problem
minus 7.
3. 4 minus 7 equals.
Ha? I hear everything to open. Ni? Ito nga ito. Pa. Here, door. Where's the door? Hindi makapunta.
You need to collect 2 notebooks
Nothing.
before you can use these doors.
Okay. Guys, may sasabihin ako.
You need to collect 2 notebooks
Dito
before
na
you
tayo
use
nagtatapos
these
sa
doors.
Baldi. Let's
Use
go.
these
Bye-bye.